Jamesy.
Hi, I'm Jamesy and welcome to my video of how to draw Dixie Damelio. Did you know that Dixie Damelio was born in Norwalk, Connecticut? She's 167 centimeters tall and she's a Leo. There you go. And let's get to it! Today we'll be using a thick pen and a thin pen. Oh yeah! Can you see that? Is it focusing? Oh yeah, there you go. So let's get started on Dixie's head and we'll start with the pupils. So we'll do some half circles and a bigger circle joining the edges of those. And then we'll just colour that bad boy in. There's the left pupil, and then we'll do the right pupil. We'll do the same, do it half one, and then join those bad boys up. Done, pupils. Let's do the outside of the eyes. So for the outside of the eyes, I'm going to start here, come around to here. See 4 points around the eyes, and we'll join them all up, one big circle. Top of the circle. Bam! Then I'm just going to do some eyelashes for, some eyeliner for Dixie. Colour that in, some eyelashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the same on the right side. Do 4 points. 2, 3, 4 around the pupil, and then join those bad boys up. 1. And then let's do the eyeliner. So go around the top of the eye and colour that in. Do some eyelashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get a nose done. The nose is right in the middle. 2 points. Little curve. And let's get a mouth done. 2 points. The edges of the mouth. And we're going to do a wavy line. And then a curved line at the bottom. And we're going to do a kind of line like that, and a line like that. And then let's do our eyebrows. So do some half curves right there, another half curve this side. I'm just going to join those up and colour them in as well. Slight curves to our eyebrows. Let's draw the colour in, let's colour those in. And then the right side. So again, half circle, a smaller half circle, and join those bad boys up. And then colour it in. Nearly there, done. Let's draw our chin. For a chin, I'm going to do a point here and then a point about here. And we're just going to join that with one curved line. Then for a hair, I'm going to start at the top. So about here, and draw a line down to here. This bit's going to be like her centre parting of her hair. And then we're going to draw a dot from here and here. But then what we're going to do is go on the left side. We're going to come down to about here. So we're going to do kind of a wavy S shape. Down to about there. Then we're going to come down to about there. A bit more waviness. There you go. And then we're going to do a line coming around to about here. I'm going to do a bit more waviness around here. So let's draw a line, curve line round, and do a curve, another curve, and a slight curve. There you go. Let's do the right side next. So we're going to do the same. We're going to start up here. Let's do the bottom bit first. So we'll come around to about here, and then come around to about here. So let's curve it round. That was a fast line. You can always rewind if you get stuck. It's okay. We'll pause it, do your thing, then rewind it, then fast forward it, then play it, then whatever. Let's do the top part of her hair. So for this bit we're going to come round to about here. Waviness. There you go. So
remember to subscribe and click that like button.
Wavy, wavy, and then a bit of a curve for the bottom of her hair there. Now the body's easy, so let's draw a couple of points. So we'll start off with a curve, straight line, curve, move over to the right. We'll do the same again, points, start off with a curve, straight line, and then a curve. Then we'll draw the bottom of trousers, straight line. Draw the details in it. Let's just draw the legs first. So we'll draw a line straight down from here, and then another line straight down, another one, and the final one. There you go. There's the legs. We'll just draw the details in a top. So let's draw some points here. Just still kind of wavy. Drawing these up. And some straps for a top. And the bottom of the top is going to go from here to here. And top of her trousers, because she's got a belly button showing. Well, she can just do a little belly button. And then top of her trousers goes there. Do some pockets. And let's just swap pens a second. We'll do the button and the fly. Let's do those arms, buddy. So for the arms, we're just going to do a curve down from the shoulder to there. And then we'll do the lower part of the arm. Come down to there. Next we'll do a hand. Start from about here, come around to about here. This is where our thumb is. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and we'll come back to around here. So go round, up, scoop, and another curve. Then just some fingers. And then do the right side. Remember we're starting at the shoulder, coming down. So we'll draw a curve down, and the lower arm, curve round. Let's just mark some points. We'll start there, come down to about here, and a thumb, and then back to around here. So curve, up, scoop, thumb, and round, and then some fingers. Let's draw those shoes. So here's the top of the shoes. I'm going to just do the outlines first. So straight line down. You're going to do a kind of reverse S shape, and then join those bad boys up with a simple curve. And again for the right shoe, start at the top, straight line inner, and then S shape, come down to about here, and a curve joining that up. And next we're going to use a bit of detail and do the detail for the shoe. We start on this left shoe, do the sole, do the front and side of a shoe, heel, Nike sign, Nike, and then a bit of lace detail, and the top of the shoe, and do some laces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the right shoe, this sole, do that. We're just doing the reverse of this side basically. So let's get started on the front. And then round. And then we'll do some lace detail. And the Nike sign. Top bit and do some laces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now remember, you always got to sign your work. Don't sign it my name, sign it your name. So, my name's Jamesy. So start with a J. Let's do this in one go. J, A, M, E, S, Y. Hope you enjoyed this video of how to draw Dixie Damelio. Don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye booey.